Hi, everyone. This is Holly, and I am blessed to know a thing or two. This is Dr. Milton Mills, and he advocates for adopting a plant based diet. I am certain Dr. Milton would approve of this tofu dish. It is my chewy, cheesy taco tofu tidbits with lotus root. Dr. Mills wants us to pump the brakes on our consumption of saturated fats. For this recipe, I used McCormick seasoning packet, a fourth of a cup of oil, 2 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar, 2 tablespoons of water, and marinated it for 15 minutes. You can either marinate it for 15 minutes or you can marinate it overnight. As a child, I preferred to eat at home. Had my mother cooked tofu, I would have eaten it for sure. Like I ate everything else, and it was good. Everything my mom made was great, of course. And I'm sure that is probably the case for a lot of kids. Moms, you have the power to change the trajectory of cultures in your kitchen. I have to admit, though, tofu does not look appetizing. It gives, to me, a Jetson or a space voyage food vibe. It looks pasty. It just doesn't look appetizing. I eat things now at the age that I'm at that I might not normally have eaten as a youngster. And I eat those things because of health concerns. It's funny where life leads us and how our buds change over time. Tofu has anti-cancer properties. It lowers blood pressure. It improves weight management. You can always take baby steps towards going meatless. Here's a meal that I made. And oh my goodness, it was so good. Feel free to cook this recipe. The beans and the smoked turkey, along with the tofu and the lotus root, it was dynamite. Please check it out and enjoy. Thank you, everyone. Enjoy your day and happy holidays. Take care. Bye-bye.